Flower School 101. Making our table. Ready? How long have you people been designing flowers?
4 days.
4 days is right. Spectacular. Now, here's your homework. Do you have a picture of this or video? Your homework tonight is to go home and find a table runner better looking than this on anybody's website who's been doing this for 20 years or more. You'll have a hard time finding one. Yeah, even with all the different colors, it's spectacular. And your homework is to go home and find one that looks better than this, of a mixed flower runner. You've only been designing 4 days. Here's your results. It's like hypnotism. Very pretty. Congratulations. You could do these. If somebody came in tomorrow and said I needed 20 of these for a wedding, what would you say?
Easy peasy.
Absolutely.
Thank you. And we got an easy peasy over here from Matt. With my eyes closed. Congratulations, beautiful.